Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Troiano, Director of Technical Education and Training for Rentokil North America. Termites cause more than 5 billion in damage each year. That's billion with a B. Termites can be active for years before damage becomes visible. Here are 5 key signs of termite activity that you should know. Swarmers are winged termites that emerge from nests in large groups. After a brief flight, they land, shed their wings, and then look for a mate. The wings that are left behind may be the first visible sign of a termite problem. Blistering wood can be a sign of termite activity. You may notice hollow-sounding or rotted wood. Frass is wood-colored dry wood termite droppings and may be confused with sawdust by the untrained eye. Next to seeing swarmers, mud tubes are the most common sign of subterranean termite activity. Mud tubes are used to travel between the soil and a food source. They are attached to structures, typically near the foundation. If you spot any of these signs of termite activity, or even if you're not sure, call us immediately. We'll come out to take a look with an inspection. As your local pest control experts, we're here to help you with all of your termite needs. Give us a call to schedule a free inspection or visit our website to connect with us today.